All right, so what I'm going to show you is if you're trying to play the Bard's Tale 1 original game and it's not saving when you're using the Steam client, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. All right, so you see this little file right here. It's called IIBT1. If you go into your app data file, so you're going to go into users, your PC, you're going to go into users, your name, app data, local, In Exile Entertainment, and the Bard's Tale. You're going to see that file. You're simply going to copy it or cut it out of here because you're going to want to delete it from this folder. And all that you're going to do is go into your program files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, the Bard's Tale, and paste it in. What's happening is this file is not allowing you to save your characters. So all you're doing is moving the file from your app data folder to your program files folder. Put the file in here, game will start saving your characters. Thank you.